Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and welcome to another video. First of all, I'd like to thank you guys for 500 subscribers. We just hit 500 subscribers not so long ago, and yeah, the family is growing. Hopefully, actually that's how it should be, and thank you so much for you guys. So I know it's a long weekend and I hope you guys enjoyed your long weekend, but that's like over, it's finished. You guys had like a lot of time for you to guys enjoy, but now it's back to my videos. If you're new, obviously make sure you are already subscribed to the channel. I just gotta fix something on this camera. Why is this setting always? All right, setting fixed. Anyways, let's continue with this video. So I want to start a new series on the channel where I build a gaming setup. That's why we have a huge Xbox box here, which I'm going to unbox in front of you guys. So I wanted to make a little modification in the house. So I'm gonna have a corner where we'll be playing game, and we're gonna have another corner where it's just for movies. So I wanted to make you guys part of this modification. So if you guys have any ideas on how I should go about, also make sure you leave it on the comments down below, and I'm going to read it all out and consider them. But for now, this is like the first episode of this series where I actually unbox the main gaming console, which is gonna be the Xbox. Probably in future we're gonna have other consoles. I'm thinking of getting maybe the PlayStation 4. Now that we're talking about the PlayStation 4, the PlayStation 4 has the Pro version, which is widely available in South Africa. But in terms of the Xbox also has the Xbox One X. This one here, right here that I have here is the Xbox One S, but the One X is like the PlayStation 4 Pro version of the Xbox. My concern is that that machine is currently not really that available in South Africa, if I can call it that. Actually, I can call it whatever I want to call it, but that machine cannot be found anywhere. And wherever you'll find it, it's either sold out or it's very expensive. I was doing some research earlier on before shooting this video, and I found out that that machine can either cost you 7,000 or 14,000. Like that's a ridiculous price. But if you guys know anywhere where they're selling it appropriately, or if you guys know where they're selling it at all, let me know in the comments. We're gonna go and check it out. But for now, let's go and unbox this quick so you guys can see what's inside. Funny story is I already unboxed one Xbox. I was actually doing it on live on Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, obviously go on Instagram and make sure you follow. That's mostly where the background or behind the scene, my life in general happens. So if you guys want to follow me, make sure you follow me there. Even if you guys want to talk to me also, you can talk to me on Instagram or on Twitter. My handles are linked in the description. Just go there and give me a follow and we'll get talking. So I've been talking too much. Let's go inside this guy and see what's up. So this one here is the 500 gig version. The one that I had unboxed on Instagram was the 1 terabyte version, which is the bigger brother of this one. Now this console only comes in white, unfortunately, but there's a lot of other customs that you can actually make it yourself by buying skin if you really are not keen in having a white machine. I think D-Brand is the company that sells skins for mobile devices and other mainstream devices. They might have actually a skin for this guy, but let's unbox it. This is a bundle that comes with an extra controller. The one that I had unboxed had an extra controller and an extra game. So this one just has an extra controller, so I don't have games to play literally. I'm gonna have to buy games. But yeah, let's see what's inside this one first. Let's put this one on the side and see what's in this one quickly. This is the black controller, which you guys can actually get it separately, or if you are lucky like me, you can get it in a bundle, which is actually more cheaper if you get it in a bundle than if you get it as a standalone unit. This thing is sealed, hopefully, and gratefully I have my unboxing knife to just chop that plastic off, and the plastic is gone. And this is the black controller. And Xbox includes obviously batteries for the controller. There's actually other devices where you can buy. I actually bought one. I'm actually gonna buy another one, and maybe if you guys wanna see that, I can make a video on that. But that device is similar to this thing here. This is the cap for the battery, but The one that I bought, it comes with a battery installed right here, so you just put it inside and it's powered and it can actually charge it directly. But for now, we're gonna use the batteries. So moving right along, that's all there is in this box. Moving right along to the main center of attention, this is the actual machine. As I said, this is a 500 gig version of the Xbox One S. So let's just read quickly what it comes with. Where is the English version? I can actually read in French, by the way. I kind of can speak French and Portuguese and obviously English that we're talking here right now. But I'm looking for the English writings here, but I cannot find any ink. Okay, this thing has 4K, it has HDR obviously, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys know what else this thing has, obviously you can always tell me so I'm more informed. We are here to learn off of each other, by the way. So let's quickly jump on what's inside. The reason that one would choose Xbox over PlayStation is because of the entertainment center or the entertainment function of it. At least that's what I would go for. Unlike the PlayStation, the Xbox has a port, an HDMI port, where you can actually put an input. So the information, instead of going out of the device, you're gonna go inside the device and you can actually control your system through that. I don't know if DSTV supports that, but I know in the States most cable TV providers do support that. But we're gonna be able to test that in future. So first box, inside the box, I'm guessing this is where the controller is. Yeah, this is where the controller that comes with the unit is. The controller, HDMI cable, and the power cable right there. You guys know how the controller looks like. The one that comes with the unit is the white version of the black one that I just showed you guys. Let me just open for you guys to see. But since this has been out for a while now, I know most of you guys know what comes in an Xbox box. So this is the white controller, that's what it looks like. And it also comes with Duracell AA batteries. Are these AA or AAA? They're AA batteries. I always get confused between AA and AAA. But this time I got it right. That's the AA battery, not triple. AAA is a tiny little battery. So let's put that one on the side. And the battery, this is just some literature, like the Americans say, literature. But I call it a guide. This is a guide on how to use your console. But we can call it literature. So moving right on the next, and I think that's it. And the next one is actually just the console. Wait, I have more literature. But who actually really read this? No one. This is a live Xbox, but it actually comes with the live free code, which the code is right here. And this is what I'm going to be using, so I can really show it to you guys. This is, I think, is a month of Xbox Gold or Live. Is it Live? I think Live is PlayStation. I think Xbox Live, no, Xbox Live something Gold, or I'm not sure. But yeah, and this is the main guy here. This is the actual console. So let's put these guys on the side. You go to the side, and this is the console. This is the, obviously it's a white console. It only comes in white, last time I checked. And let's just get it open and show you guys how it looks like. And the paper is off. So yeah, this is the Xbox One S in its white glory. There we go. Side view, top view. You can actually sit it like, I think it's, you can sit it, which side is it? I think you can sit it on the side, can you? Yeah, I think you can sit it like so, and just put it wherever you're going to be using it. So this is the white controller. Come on, controller. This is the white controller, and let's put these guys on the side. Hopefully it's out away from the camera, you guys can't see it anymore. And this is the black controller. So it's kind of like Darth Vader, and Skywalker theme controller, black and white. So yeah, this is going to be it for this video. As I said in the beginning, thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. We're probably gonna reach another 500 in let me say 2 months, to be more specific. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you guys on the next video, which will come out pretty soon. Peace.